Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. We are in the series of effective ways of doing research. In today's video, we are going to cover different ways of dealing with plagiarism. So let's check it out how you can work with plagiarism and research. Plagiarism means stealing of someone's content without their permission or authorization. In layman terms, just stealing of someone else's ideas or contents and putting it down in your research paper. This is called as plagiarism in research field. Plagiarism can happen in both the ways, like by accidentally or intentionally. In your research journey, to deal with plagiarism is very keen and important step. You always have to write some research papers or proposals which are free of plagiarism. I would like to mention a point here that even if you are submitting a paper, a research paper at some conference, they have certain criteria to accept the plagiarism, like the ratio could be 10 to 15%. Above that, no conference or no research event accepts your proposals with the plagiarism rate more than 15%. So every researcher has to take care of the plagiarism, and they must have been struggling somewhere around how they can deal with plagiarism in their research journey. So here in this video, I'll give you some tips which you can use and easily make your research free from plagiarism. Number one, keep track of your source. By tracking of your sources, can avoid plagiarism when you are working for particular research or a project. So it is important to take notes of everything, whatever you are reading, and maintaining a proper track. That's why I suggest you to have an Excel sheet format where you can place the author's name, the name of the publication, the paper where it has been published, or blog or book chapter, and then at the end you can create a summary column where you can put your ideas, whatever you read from that research paper, in your own words. This trick will be very helpful, and it will also keep the track of all the sources that you have been reading while developing a research paper or developing a research content. Number two, paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means rewriting or restructuring the sentence without losing its actual meaning. The most important thing here is you can use the idea or a content that you liked from a research paper and try to frame it in your own words. Try to use or make it more richer and give it a different word or a vocabulary look by using your own words. You cannot just copy and paste the exact content in your research paper. I have already shared the tool Quillbot, which you can use to reframe some of your sentences and avoid plagiarism in your paper. The next one comes to our list is citation of the source. So while writing research paper, make sure you cite every author, every article that you read and where you are referencing your ideas from that paper. There are different citation style which varies from conference and different events. So check it out with which type of citation particular conference organizers are looking for, and you can draft your paper accordingly. And please do remember to cite every research article or blog or book chapter, whatever you are reading. Please remember to have a proper citations for all the reading contents while developing the research paper. And the last one comes to our list is plagiarism checker. When you have taken the above mentioned steps properly, after final draft of your paper, you can check the plagiarism with the available free online plagiarism checker. I'll put some of the free resources in the description link. But you cannot rely on the accuracy of this plagiarism checker, because they are free source and you just have to pay for having a high accuracy. But if you are working as a researcher, ask for your institution to have plagiarism checkers from Urkun. Urkun is one of the most and my favorite plagiarism checker, which I usually use before submitting a paper to any conference or event. But definitely different online plagiarism checker will be helpful for you to avoid plagiarism from your research paper and try to redraft it. It also gives you a very beautiful output, like it shows the words or contents that have high plagiarism. It goes in red color and some of the shows and which is like plagiarism free, it goes in green color. So friends, possibility of plagiarism while working with research is very high. So you do take care of these steps and make sure that you at the end you have a plagiarism free research paper. Avoiding the plagiarism will overall increase the accuracy rate of a content what you have provided in your research paper. I hope these tips will be helpful for you while drafting your research paper and taking care of plagiarism. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research. Till then, take care. Goodbye.